beyond the surface, transforming your home for healthy living using latest technologies. Modern cleaning tech helps remove hidden dirt, allergens, and bacteria from sofas, curtains, mattresses. Singapore, the 1st of December, 2024. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a clean and hygienic home is more important than ever. While regular cleaning of floors and countertops has become a routine, many homeowners often overlook hidden culprits of dust, allergens, and germs, curtains, sofas, and mattresses. These household essentials, used daily, can harbor unseen dangers that may compromise the health and safety of your entire family. Fortunately, modern technology has revolutionized how we approach cleaning. Cutting-edge tools and advanced techniques are making it easier than ever to achieve a cleaner, healthier home without compromising convenience. The hidden hazards in your home. Curtains, sofas, and mattresses are more than just functional furnishings, they are integral to the comfort and aesthetics of a home. However, they are also prone to accumulating dirt, dust mites, allergens, and bacteria over time. Curtains act as filters, trapping airborne particles such as pollen and dust. While they enhance the beauty of your windows, they can also contribute to respiratory issues if not cleaned regularly. Sofas, the centerpiece of family relaxation, absorb body oils, food crumbs, and pet dander, becoming a breeding ground for bacteria and germs. Mattresses, where we spend about a third of our lives, harbor sweat, dead skin cells, and dust mites, posing risks of allergies and skin irritation. Neglecting these areas can lead to poor indoor air quality and health issues, especially for children, the elderly, and those with allergies or respiratory conditions. Transforming cleaning with advanced technology. The cleaning industry has stepped up to meet these challenges, leveraging the latest technology to provide effective, eco-friendly solutions for home hygiene. Specialized cleaning services now offer professional care for curtains, sofas, and mattresses using innovative techniques, including high-powered vacuum extraction. Advanced vacuum systems remove deeply embedded dust and allergens without damaging delicate fabrics. Steam cleaning, using high-temperature steam. This method kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and mites, ensuring deep sanitization. UV light treatment. Cutting-edge UV technology eliminates harmful microorganisms on surfaces, making it a safe, chemical-free option. Eco-friendly solutions. Green cleaning products protect your family and the environment by avoiding harsh chemicals. These state-of-the-art techniques ensure that your furnishings are not only visually clean but also sanitized to a microscopic level. The benefits of professional cleaning services. Investing in professional curtain steam cleaning for your curtains, sofas, and mattresses goes beyond aesthetics. It's an investment in your family's well-being. Here's how it helps. Improved air quality. Regular cleaning removes allergens and pollutants, resulting in fresher, healthier indoor air. Enhanced hygiene. Professional services eliminate germs, bacteria, and dust mites that could otherwise lead to health issues. Extended lifespan. Proper maintenance prevents wear and tear, ensuring your furnishings remain in top condition for years. Convenience. With expert cleaning, you save time and effort, leaving the heavy lifting to trained professionals. Why it matters now more than ever. As people spend more time indoors, particularly during colder months or in urban areas with high pollution levels, the need for clean and healthy living environments has never been greater. The ongoing emphasis on health and wellness underscores the importance of tackling overlooked areas of the home. Clean curtains, sofas, and mattresses are not just about appearances, they are about safeguarding your family's health, says Alan Ma, General Manager at Duo Nini Pte Limited. Our advanced cleaning solutions are designed to penetrate deep into fabrics and surfaces, removing contaminants that traditional methods can't address. A cleaner home, a healthier life. Modern cleaning services make it easier than ever to prioritize your family's well-being. By using state-of-the-art technology and eco-friendly practices, they offer an unparalleled level of cleanliness that ensures your home is a safe and healthy haven. Don't let hidden dangers lurk in your home. Take the first step toward healthier living today by scheduling a professional cleaning for your curtains, sofas, and mattresses. Your family deserves nothing less than the best. For more information or to book an appointment, contact Duo Nini Pte Limited at +65 61002363 or visit https://duoninilaundry.com.sg. About Duo Nini Pte Limited. Duo Nini Pte Limited specializes in professional curtain cleaning services using advanced technologies to deliver exceptional results. Dedicated to improving home hygiene and safety, Duo Nini is your trusted partner in creating a cleaner, healthier environment for you and your loved ones. Media contact: Alan Ma, General Manager, +65 6100 2363. Contact at duoninilaundry.com.sg.